Hi everyone, my name is Matthew D. Groves and welcome to my course, Creating and Managing Your First Couchbase Cluster. I'm a developer advocate at Couchbase, and I'm very excited that you're checking out my course. Even though I've been using Couchbase for years, I'm still surprised and delighted by its power and capabilities every day, and I hope you'll start to feel that same sense of wonder after taking this Pluralsight course. Did you know that Couchbase is the only NoSQL database to have a full SQL implementation? Crazy, right? In this course, we're going to start a journey into mastery, and no prior experience with Couchbase is required. Some of the major topics that we will cover include installing and configuration, horizontal scaling as we need it, automatic replication, organizing JSON data, and automating configuration. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create and manage Couchbase clusters, buckets, nodes, documents, replicas, and more. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with HTTP, JSON, and you should have some basic Docker knowledge. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into more advanced Couchbase topics with courses on monitoring Couchbase clusters, mobile development with Couchbase Lite, and Couchbase's powerful SQL implementation called Nickel. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Couchbase with the Creating and Managing Your First Couchbase Cluster course here at Pluralsight.